Diaca.
Construction game. Children, today we are going to put together a tracked excavator from the construction set.
Hooray! An excavator.
Let's begin with something that helps the excavator to travel. This is the track frame. It has sprockets and rollers.
The sprockets look like stars.
Yes! These are tracks. Tracks let the excavator travel over uneven ground. Now we are going to put both of the tracks on the sprockets. This is the rotating platform. On the rotating platform, you will find the driver's cab, engine, pumps, and counterweight. Let's set it on the track frame. The platform joins with the track frame with the help of the slewing device. This is the boom. We join it to the rotating platform near the driver's cab. Now we'll add the arm. Is anything missing from our excavator?
The bucket.
Of course! Without it, the excavator won't be able to do its main job. Digging! Let's join the arm and the bucket together.
The excavator is ready.
Well, how is our excavator?
Cool.
Have a look at how the excavator's equipment works. The excavator has hydraulic cylinders. With the help of the pumps, oil is fed with high pressure into the hydraulic cylinders. It puts pressure on the pistons, and the pistons push out. Pistons move back and forth. These hydraulic cylinders are responsible for the movement of the boom. This hydraulic cylinder makes the arm maneuver. This device, the one joining the bucket with the piston, is called an H-link, or bucket linkage. Its mechanism allows the bucket to greatly flex and extend. The excavator's platform spins all the way around on its axis. The excavator is delivered to the building site on special trucks or by railway. Excavators are very important machines on the building site. They dig trenches for the laying of pipes and underground utilities. They are also used in the construction of buildings. They dig foundation pits. It is quite loud in the driver's cab.
How does the excavator turn? It doesn't have normal wheels.
To turn, the excavator stops and pivots on one of its tracks.
How does the excavator get on the train car?
Here, now you can see what tricks the excavator gets up to. Look! It pushes away with the bucket. How does it do that?
Wow! Bye-bye, excavator.
Bye-bye, excavator.